dance wanna travel from العيون to وجدة. Mohammed went by plane in the distance 1,363 kilometers. And Sarah chose another way. She went from العيون, Agadir, Souera, Casablanca, Tanger, Nador to وجدة. In the distance is 2,046 kilometers. Wassim went from العيون, Agadir, Marrakesh, Casablanca, Rabat, Fes to وجدة. In the distance 1,687 kilometers. This is confusing. They all started from العيون and arrived to وجدة. We got the same result. It actually seems like we have the same distance, but it's not like that. When we get the resultant of these difference vectors, it is the same, from the same start to the same end. But why don't we have the same distance? It implies that there is another characteristic other than the scalar value that explains this question. It's about vectors. Actually, students usually confuse the concepts of segments and vectors, but segments are limited portion of a line included in a plan that has two limited points. But for vectors, it's totally different. So we must understand what a vector is. So let's look at this beautiful dance. The dancers do the same displacement from a start point to an ending point with the same direction. So they do exactly the same thing. So these vectors are equal. Even if they are not the same place, they are parallel with the same direction and the same magnitude. We conclude that a vector has two characteristics, a magnitude and a direction. Also, vectors are used in programming to make animation like the famous Chica dance with the softwares like this one. Where else can we find vectors? Actually, vectors are all around us. Can be represented speed, acceleration, force, or displacements. Finally, let's be grateful for these vectors that made us enjoy this beautiful harmonious dance.